Hello everyone. So this is gonna be well, I guess it's technically my second YouTube video, but as you can see, I cut my hair and I actually did it myself. I'm not really sure why. I mean, I do know why, because like my hair's damaged from the curls, from the blonde. But I also felt like I just needed something different, and this is what happened. So I don't think I did too bad, you know. It's not perfect, but I think it's cute. So yeah, if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. When I filmed this, I didn't film it with the intentions that I would be putting it on YouTube. But I just filmed it just so I could have it, because I've never actually cut my hair before. So yeah, stick around and you'll see how I got this look. What am I doing? Bro, what are you doing? I'm really doing this. Probably cry about it later. Okay. Okay, we got a little kind of look a little crazy. Carlo is gonna kill me. This sounds shorter than this side. Okay, so I think I cut it a little too short. Bruh. Oh man, what did I do? Okay, well, maybe I could just figure out how to make this work a little bit. Let me just fix it really quick, okay? So I did eventually have to call in Carlo to come in and clean me up a little bit because I couldn't see. It's really hard to cut the back of your head when you can't even see what you're doing. So he just went in and reshaped things, kind of just made it a lot more even and trimmed out some of the longer pieces. So here is the final look. I am absolutely in love with it. I love it. I thought that this entire experience was really fun, and it was just fun to be able to just like cut it all off and just fresh start. You know, so if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe to my channel. I'm really gonna try and start uploading content. I've been promising for years that I'm gonna really stick to this YouTube channel, and this year I have no choice because we're quarantined, and guess what? That's what I'm gonna really try and do. Keep me motivated. And yeah.